Yeah, well, that's pretty good. So my wife just went out tonight. Did that really turn my lips red? It kind of did. Oh my goodness. So anyway, my wife went out to this like girls' night tonight, and she brought me back some chocolates that look like lipstick and lips. So here we are, and this is one of them. I bit off the top, but doesn't that look like a lipstick? What is that? That's pretty awesome. That's pretty sweet. Yeah. So I'm eating chocolate. You should probably too. Okay, we got a question though. What do you like better? White chocolate, milk chocolate, or dark chocolate? Now see, there's these few people that like white chocolate. White chocolate's good. There's some people that like dark chocolate, but they're wrong. And then there's my people that love them some milk chocolate. What do you like? Milk, dark, or white? All right, just let me know in the comments. But today, I'm gonna try something slightly different. So on that last video, I totally got out of my comfort zone with my colors. Somebody asked for a purple painting, so you got a purple painting. Hadn't done them before. So, yeah, you got a purple painting. And I still have it's the same day, it's Sunday. I paint on Sunday. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing some colors that aren't my normal thing. Sap green, I use sap green all the time, but I do not use violet, deep violet, magenta, and old gold. This old gold is going to be extra fantastic because there's iridescent medium in here. So that'll be my yellow. Oops. So purple and green are across from each other. And magenta. No, yellow's on the other side of blue, isn't it? Anyway, I just like this color combo. I think it's pretty awesome. So we got these darker colors. There's not a whole lot of them. We've got extra yellow because I want it to be one of the main attractions. A little bit extra green, and then magenta and purple because I want these to be the accents to this yellow over titanium white. And I bought some unbleached titanium, and it should. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm still on the art cam, face cam. Let me switch over. Switch right now. Okay. Old gold with iridescent medium. That makes it all shiny. I pulled off the paint a little bit off the top. So iridescent medium by itself is crazy shiny. I don't know if you could, yeah, you can kind of get the glint. It's little, but there we go. Yeah, so the glint you get off of it. So it should draw some extra attention to this gold. So what I'm looking for is white gold accents. And so it should be cool. So the general rule, first in, last out, we want our old gold to be at the top. And I kind of put some of it through to the bottom, not because I meant to, but more because I couldn't get it lower into the cup. And then we'll green on top of that. And that's enough green. We got some more if we need it. This purple, which is gorgeous. I want all that purple. Purple's beautiful. It's very pretty. Especially this purple. I don't know what it is about this one, but the Liquitex Basics Deep Violet. I keep saying purple, but it's violet. Very pretty. And the pink. I push some of the pink all the way through because it's one of our lighter shades. I wanted it to take some of the other ones with it and then pool the rest on the top. Excuse me. One stir. Two stirs. All right. So there we are. Excellent. Here we go. I'm on the count of 3, 2, 1. Yes. Wonderful. Excellent. Very good. Okay. You know, I used to do this a while ago to lubricate the entire canvas up before. No. I spilled a lot off the edge. Okay. Now let's see. Oops. No. Man, I'm a soup sandwich right now. I'm trying to pull this line into this corner, so we're going to let some of our paint drip off. There we go. Well, that's kind of cool. It's not entirely what I was thinking when I started doing these, but it's kind of cool. So, notes. We still got to do a little bit to this, but thinking this through for next time, since I want more white, oh look, my wife's going to wonder where I've been because I got some sparkly hands. Oh. And if you don't know what that means, go ask somebody older. Actually, don't ask somebody older. Okay. Hey, yeah. Get the bubbles out. Can it really be done? We can't be done with this. I think if I hung it, I would hang it maybe like this. But I don't think we're done. I don't think it's so just eating chocolate while we talk. Actually, one of my favorite chocolates is white chocolate. I know I said milk chocolate, but I love me some white chocolate. Okay. Here's our handy dandy blowy thing. So one thing, I love the blow, the way it kind of feathers the paint. I think it's really important to not overdo it though. So I'm trying to only apply it in places that it makes sense. In person, it's really awesome because we have these lines where the purple feathers out from this white here, and it does the same thing across these lines. Okay. I'm thinking you know what? This would make a fantastic swipe. It's not even messed up. Okay. Uh-oh. A fly just gave its life to the painting. You are now part of my art, fly. How about part of my drippings? Sorry. Anybody else apologize to birds, to insects as you kill them? Oh, sorry, insect. Blah, you're dead. You know what? I don't see a whole lot of our gold here. I wonder where it is. Did I pour it off or something? Maybe. I'm going to, right here, I'm going to take this part and feather it. No, I'm going to leave it alone. There's some really cool things here that I don't want to mess up. So you can't tell from the screen, or I can't tell from the screen that I'm looking at when I look over. But these little, there's striations. Anyway, the strata. The different little bits right here, there's some really, really cool lines that are just faint. They're not super like punchy. But you know, if we end up blowing over these, we're gonna mess it up, and I don't want to do that. So we're not gonna do it. Yeah, I like it the way it is. I'm gonna leave it. It's really pretty. I'm gonna take a picture, post it on Instagram, and you can see it on Instagram. And you can see it on Instagram if you'd like. It's pretty amazing. My phone camera takes better still pictures than our webcam. It's just what it does. So I want to give a huge shout out to Karen Bott at octopunks.com. I missed you last week. I'm sorry about that. Or last video. I'm sorry about that. We have Kitty McCatface. What? Kitten McKitten Pants. Dawn to Darkness, and Stephanie. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you've made it this far, would you do it and just subscribe? And if you're already a subscriber, why not hit the bell? So when I upload stuff, which is every Monday and Thursday, right around noon Eastern, 12 o'clock Eastern time, you'll get a notification right up on your phone or your computer, and it'll be like, hey, guess what? And you'll be like, hey, yeah, awesome. I don't know if you'd be like that, but I would be like that. And so, yeah, that's what happens if you ring the bell, and that's right next to the subscribe button. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I have so much fun doing this. And without you guys, I would have no reason to do this, and I'd be very sad. So thank you so much. All right, guys. Peace. I still can't believe that. Oh well. I'm gonna be scrubbing my face with a wire brush later.